Wow. 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 That is wild. Wow. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait for this trade to play out. I think it's gonna take these lows out at least here and here. Could target this. I mean, I don't know. It's January 21st there, so that would be, you know, I guess technically a shift in market structure, change of character, whatever, because that's the low of the year so far, January. So this market structure shift. But it might be a good idea to take profits, you know, if it goes below here, just you know, because then you might get a retrace or something, or it could keep dumping. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna let this thing play out a little bit. I'm not worried about this retrace at all. I mean, it could stop me out and then dump and then go back down and dump. Could definitely do that. So I guess maybe I'm a little bit concerned. It's a very powerful market. So anything could happen. Definitely gonna hurt if it does stop me out. I mean, that's gonna hurt if that happens. Should have just took profits down there and I just assumed it was gonna break below here and maybe below here. But it could go up first and take, you know, some liquidity, buy side first. I mean, it could do whatever it wants. There's a tug of war right here. You know, trading, you're supposed to be able to walk away from these trades, you know? Ideally. Ideally. That's probably the best thing. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. It's looking like it's maybe gonna sweep buy side. Maybe it'll just sweep that just that little high right there above that red candle and then go down. Seems like it might be wanting to go down. It's got to push south of right there. It can't bounce. I don't want to see it bounce right there. Obviously, you know it will a little bit, but you want to see it drive through that low right there that it just took out. You want to see it push out to there. Pretty strongly, pretty what's the word? Confidently. Ooh. Oh boy. That's not good. That is very not good for me on that trade. Pretty scary, that one. Yeah, I think this trade could be toast. Could be done ski. That was a scary move right there. Cause see how it's like forming that structure right here? Like how it goes up, there's a leg up, and then it's forming. That's like, possibly a continuation type of pattern. Um, unless you want to say that this kind of leg sort of down is like forming this pattern, and then this would be a continuation pattern. This whole thing together could be a continuation pattern. So, um, could this be setting up for a spike up to take that liquidity, and then this pattern as a whole becomes a continuation back down after that? So you have like a continuation up inside of a downward continuation pattern type thing. I hope not. I hope it just goes down. Straight down. I'm not sure how far down it would have to go for me to actually pass phase 3. But probably if it takes out that low we were looking at earlier, I'll probably just take profits. I need 42,000, 42,000, 42,000. So I'm not sure we're gonna get there on this trade. I mean, maybe if it kept going down all day and I held it to the end of the day, yeah. Um, I'm not sure. We'll have to see because there's 1,500 there. Depends on how far it goes. I mean, if it goes down, keeps going down. That's definitely a good trade, though, for sure. Man. And this is what I've got to learn. My method works best after 9 a.m. or after 9:30. And I've got to stop trading off hours because that's killing me. My accounts. Alright, so there it goes. It might accelerate down through here. Let's go to 5 minute, 15. Okay, so it hasn't broke that big one, or the second smaller one. This one, right? So that one's irrelevant. The one we just looked at. This one, it might accelerate down through there once it hits that, and take this out quickly. We gotta see. Okay. This is a good trade. I definitely want to take profit below that blue line if it gets there. Like right here would be a good idea too. Also, just want to see what happened. Okay, looks like it's going. And let's see, and there is that 25,000 down there. Okay, there it goes. Let's see if it goes further, a little bit further. That's it. I got it. That's it. That's it. That's it. I passed phase 3 on that. Oh. Wow. I did it right there. That's it. All right, I passed phase 3. All right, yes. That was a totally insane trade. That was an insane trade. That was crazy. To even understand how crazy that was. That was bananas. That was completely nuts. Look at this. 700. That was one of my biggest trades ever. 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 Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm shaking. Oh. That was so intense. Let me tell you something. Wow. Crazy. Super crazy. Look at this. Hey, let's go look at this. Check this out. I was down just now, minus 1570. And I went all the way up to passing the account right there. Super, super crazy. Wow, that is insane. Literally one trade took me from minus 1570 to basically plus, you know, whatever, 2057. That was insane. And I've got it all, the whole trade, I've got it on video. Whew. Wow. All right, well, I'm done for the day. That's gonna have to be good. I'm just gonna, like, I need this celebration, this win, because like I've had a rough couple days trading, and I really need to just enjoy this one. So that's gonna be it. Did it tap into the 25,000 almost?
The ritual site had been prepared. The summoning shall commence.
All right.
Once each of the fires
So that's
has
it.
been lit. Go, ignite the flames as I release the dust of our wise one into the air.